Hello everyone. Today we are dealing with the CAM pathway, that is crassulacean acid metabolism pathway. It is a photosynthetic adaptation in succulent plants. Succulent plants, also known as fat plants, are xerophytic plants adapted to arid climates or soil conditions. Succulent plants store water in their leaves and stem. The storage of water often gives succulent plants a swollen and fleshy appearance than other plants. The best known succulents are cacti. These plants open their stomata during the night and close them during the day. Closing stomata during the day helps succulent plants conserve water, but it also prevents carbon dioxide from entering the leaves. During the night, when their stomata are open, these plants take up CO2. Assimilation of CO2 occurs into malic acid at night, which is in the vacuole. This mode of carbon fixation is called crassulacean acid metabolism, after the plant family Crassulaceae succulent, in which the process was first discovered. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you so much.